The pull-in-place method is one of the many kinds of cured-in-place pipe (CIPP) trenchless rehabilitation methods for use in repairing damaged sewer, vent stack pipes, or drain pipes. Old pipes can be lined with a smooth, hard epoxy resin liner that seals pipes, preventing future root penetration and corrosion, extending the life of your sewer for decades to come. We begin by inspecting your line with a sewer pipe camera that can identify any cracks, scale, or root intrusion. To remove the hardened scale buildup and roots, we use chain cutters, specifically tailored to fit inside your pipe that rotate at a high rate of speed. A highly pressurized water jetter is then inserted into the pipe, flushing all debris into the city main. We then re-video the pipe for assurance and to determine the required length of the liner. As the camera is retrieved, a pull line, later used to pull the liner into the pipe, is pulled back with it. The sewer is now ready to be lined. The felt liner material is cut to length. Next, a pull-in-place air bladder with a pull end and an air input end is made to length. A two-part epoxy resin is then poured into the dry felt liner. Next, we use a weighted roller or a pinch roller to fully impregnate the felt liner with epoxy. The bladder is then pulled into the saturated felt liner, and the assembly is folded, rolled, and taped. We call this the taco method. Then the liner assembly is pulled into place through an access point. A camera is slid down the pipe next to the liner to make sure it's correctly positioned. The camera is then removed. The bladder is filled with pressurized air, inflating the liner so that it adheres to the interior of the hose pipe. The liner is then allowed to cure or harden in place for 4 to 6 hours, or heat cured for approximately an hour. Once fully cured, the air bladder is deflated and removed, leaving a fully rehabilitated pipeline.